Federal Executive Council has approved the sum of 538 million naira for the procurement of Birds Deterrent System for 3 Nigerian airports. The Minister of Aviation, Senator Hadi Sirika, briefed State House Correspondents after FEC meeting presided over by President Muhammadu Buhari at the Presidential Villa, Abuja.
Today in Council, we have one memo from Aviation, and it is for procurement of Birds Deterrent System, the airport wireless Mark 4 version of it. It is for the following airports: for Kano, for Port Harcourt, for Enugu airports. Earlier than now, we procured for Abuja and Lagos. And what it does is it scares birds away from our runways and avoid birds injection into the engine. The injection of birds into our engine, or bird strike for simplicity. And that improves safety operations and efficiency of our airport. And the total amount for this procurement is 1,758,538 American dollars and 92 cents, which is equivalent to 538,112,912 Nigerian naira and 58 kobo. Delivery period is 3 months, and it will include all of the taxes that are involved.
For his part, the Minister of State for Works and Housing, Engineer Abubakar Aliyu, said Council approved the sum of 6.6 billion naira for the rehabilitation of Kotonkarve Bridge in Kogi State.
The contract is in favor of Messrs. Helicam Limited in the sum of 6,601,727,169 naira, with a completion period of 24 months. The bridge is 1.76 kilometer bridge, and the scope of work is to rehabilitate the dual carriageway between bus girders on the bridge embankment, repairs, bridge protection works, replacement, repair of bridge furniture, repair of alphatic concrete works, repair of concrete steel works on foundation substructure of the bridge, on the water cleaning and corrosion control.